break 586 for the 2019 autograph baseball. Thanks everyone for getting the break and all of you watching. Current date and time, according to eBay, is Tuesday, March 12th, 2019. It is 10:42 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:42 p.m. Central Time, and 7:42 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Jack's dad with 7 spots, Dan with 4, Whitlock with 3, Eeyore Mule 1, Kelly 5, Hargrove 2, and Argos with 8 spots. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Jack's dad, you're on top. Argos, you're on the bottom. Good luck once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Kelly on top, Jack's dad on the bottom. Alright, Kelly, you have the Diamondbacks, Whitlock Braves, Jack's dad Orioles and Red Sox, Eeyore Mule with the Cubs, Dan White Sox, Argos Reds, Kelly Indians, Jack's dad Rockies, Argos Tigers, Whitlock Astros, Argos Royals, Kelly Angels, Argos Dodgers, Hargrove Marlins, Argos Brewers, Dan Twins, Argos Mets, Yankees Athletics, Hargrove Phillies, Jack's dad Pirates, Kelly Padres Giants, Jack's dad Mariners, Whitlock Cardinals, Dan Rays, Jack's dad Rangers, Dan Blue Jays, and last but not least, Jack's dad going to the Washington Nationals. Okay, break 586 for the 2019 Hit Parade Autograph Baseball. Good luck. Okay. We have the Pete Rose. Pete Rose autograph of baseball. It's stuck on there. So Pete Rose, here's our COA. I think you all know where he's going, but we'll look him up. So Pete Rose, is going to, for 19 years, Cincinnati Reds. Congrats to the Cincinnati Reds, going to Argos 1987. For the Pete Rose Autograph Hit Parade Baseball. Alright, that was break 586. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on social media in our eBay store at P2J Sports Cards. And please stick around for the bonus break spot. Thanks.